Ever finish a book and think, wait, what did I just read? You're not alone. The problem isn't your brain, it's how you're reading. But here's how to fix that. Fast. First, teach it to keep it. Imagine you just learned something mind-blowing. Now explain it like you're teaching a 5-year-old. If you can't, you never really learned it. Second, ditch passive reading. Highlighting and rereading? Useless. Instead, close the book and force yourself to recall the key points. Struggle a bit? Good. That's how your brain locks it in. Third, use spaced repetition. Want to remember forever? Revisit what you read after a day, a week, and a month. It's like saving a file in your brain instead of losing it in the junk folder. Finally, make it stick. Your brain loves stories and visuals, so if something's dull, turn it into a crazy image or connect it to your life. Master these tricks and you'll start remembering everything you read. Try it.